Have you ever wanted to add a cool responsive scale effect, where a layer automatically grows or shrinks based on its distance from another layer? This simple expression has you covered. Here's what to do. Start by copying this expression into the scale property of the layer you want to control. Now that the expression is in place, let's make it work. First, update the refLayer variable to refer to the layer you want this one to react to for scaling. Then, try moving your main layer around. Closer to the reference layer makes it grow, farther makes it shrink. Here's a quick breakdown of what's happening. First, update the refLayer variable to the layer you want this one to react to. Next, we calculate the distance, d, between your layer and the reference layer. Then we set up the scale range. Min scale is the smallest size when they're far apart, and max scale is the biggest size when they're close. Finally, we use ease to smooth out the scale changes. This way, as the layers get closer, the scaling effect feels gradual and natural, and as they move apart, it gently shrinks down. With this setup, your layer will scale smoothly based on its distance from the reference layer. Nice and easy. And that's it. With this expression, you get a dynamic, distance-based scaling effect that really brings your animation to life. Tweak those min scale, max scale, and range values to get the vibe you're after. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, a great life, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.